You've been asking, you've been waiting, and now Heat Press Nation is proud to be your preferred dealer for Uninet DTF printers and supplies. We're excited to offer not just one, not two, but 3 different DTF printers to the Uninet roster here at heatpressnation.com. DTF printing has been exploding in popularity. Print shops across the world are falling in love with their DTF printers, which allow them to keep full color transfer production in-house. And since secured transfers are stable and resilient, they could be shipped to clients who apply them using their own garments and equipment. That's 2 separate sales funnels served with 1 printer. Propel your business forward with the Uninet DTF 100, DTF 1000, or DTF 6000 direct-to-film printers. These machines come with online masterclass training, professional onboarding with a trained technician, and a complete set of ink, film, powder, and printer maintenance supplies. Now you could get DTF at HPN.